my friends, how y'all doing out there? It's your boy Goof Rules. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And we're back with another prompt pattern. This is a very simple prompt pattern, commonly used, especially in education. So this one is the filtering and citation simple format prompt pattern. All right, so let's just dive into it. Let's give it an overview. So understanding the filtering and citation simple filter prompt pattern. The simple filter prompt pattern is fundamental approach used in generative AI to refine and extract specific information from a broader data set. This pattern is particularly useful when you need to sit, shift through large amounts of data to find relevant pieces, or when you want to eliminate certain elements based on specified criteria. All right, so let's dive into some of the key components. All right, we go dive into some of the key components. All right. All right, so the key component is very simple. So number one, clear criteria for filtering. Define what's needed to be included or excluded in a filter. These criteria should be explicit and straightforward, such as dates, keywords, numeric range, or categorical labels. All right. So identify number two, identification of source information. So you want to clearly identify the source information that needs to be filtered. This could be a list, document, data set, or any structured information. And number three, filter output. The results should be a subset of the original information that meets the filter to ensure that this output is precise. All right, so uh, I'll do a live quick prime example. So let's just say we go upload from the computer. We let's go. Go. Prompt pattern is explained, right? So let's give it. We gave it to information, right? So now to identification. So we will clearly identify the source information, what needs to be filtered. This could be a list of document data sets or any structure of information, right? Okay, so with this file, I need you to extract 10 prompt patterns that will be best to teach for education and generating books and stories. So there go the prompt pattern. Real live on y'all. Thinking. Probably should have just used the regular um, GPT 4, just so we could have slowed down all of this. I didn't really think it needs to do all the research since it already had the files and stuff, right? But let's take a look at it. Let's see. It's thinking. So you guys take any list of data that you guys might have. It can be anything, especially those who's working in like sales or anything. You guys can use it for that too. All right. So let's see what it get. So for me, Mr. Iams, here are 10 prompt pattern power moves you can teach or wield yourself when building educational material, children books, or long form stories. All right. So they pulled it straight from the docs I uploaded, file name shown in the brackets, so you can jump back to the source. All right, so here we go. Number one, template prompt pattern. Your ready-made blueprint, core ideas, supply reusable skeleton with placeholders. All right, so it's basically telling me I should use the template prompt pattern. That's one that we haven't went over yet. We'll be going over that with you. Infinite generation prompt pattern, bottomless creativity. So the core idea, you can ask the model to keep producing until a stop condition, right? So you can use it for education, books, stories. Mini prompt is giving me an example, right? Context control prompt pattern as well. Customization persona prompt pattern, role play on steroids. We went over that. We went over context control already. Gameplay prompt pattern. This is one of my favorites right here, but we'll go over that one in a later video. But as you guys can see, it extracted the data, gave me 10 based on the criteria that I gave it, right? So it gave me the reflection prompt pattern, question refinement prompt pattern, visualization prompt pattern, all right, summarize and cite prompt pattern. So even showing me how to weave them together, right? So yeah, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. This is very easy one, filtering and citation prompt pattern. So go ahead and use this one whenever. If you guys already do use this prompt pattern, let me know how you guys use it. I'll check out some of you guys' work and see what you guys do. Each one teach one. That's how we all get better in this community, right? So go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, and support your boy. And I am out. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button.